Conversation between two friends meeting after a long time.
Hey Johnny, how are you?
Oh my God, Reyes. I am good, how are you?
I am amazing.
Great, take the seat, this seat is empty.
Long time, no see.
Yeah, been busy with college. What about you?
Same. I have been busy with college too. What are you doing now?
I just finished my graduation. What are you doing?
I am doing homeopathy at a nearby college.
That's nice. How come you are on this train today?
My college is here so I travel every day by train. How come you are here today?
We had our convocation today, so everyone had to come and collect their degree.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you. I have been traveling by this train throughout my graduation years, and it is one of the best trains.
Yeah, I know. It is always empty and we always get a seat for ourselves.
This is the exact reason why I used to board this train all the time.
After being tired for the whole day, it is a relief to board an empty train.
I know that feeling. Hey, what about your homeopathy? When is your course coming to an end?
Oh, it is going to take another year. I also have to intern compulsorily, and only then I and other students will get a degree.
One more year to go.
Yeah, I hope it goes well.
Don't worry. It will go well.
I think the train has reached. It was good meeting you after a long time.
Yeah, it was nice to see you too. Anyway, we will meet soon. Till then, all the best and take care. Bye.
Yeah, I will see you soon. You take care too. Bye.